From best friends to soulmates, their journey is nothing short of magical. After 17 years of friendship, their bond naturally blossomed into love, leading to the most anticipated wedding of the year. Fans have been captivated by their chemistry ever since they lit up the screen in King the Land. What started as an on-screen romance soon became reality, and now, they are ready to take the next step. The iconic couple will exchange vows at the Grand Hyatt Hotel, renowned for its extravagant celebrations. Their love story dates back to 2007 when they first met, sharing an unbreakable friendship for nearly 2 decades. While filming King the Land in 2023, their connection deepened, and their undeniable chemistry, especially in the heart-fluttering rooftop and swimming pool kissing scenes, had fans swooning. Now, as they prepare to say "I do," their fairy tale continues, promising a wedding to remember. Industry insiders revealed that while filming the drama, the two realized they had deeper feelings for each other. Their love grew stronger as they supported each other through thick and thin. 2PM's Taecyeon even teased Juno during variety shows, revealing how jealous he would get whenever Yoonhae performed with Taecyeon on stage. Their chemistry was also evident during their appearance on Netflix's Chemistry Workshop and ASMR segment, where Juno blushed, his cheeks and ears turning red while staring at Yoonhae with love-filled eyes. Their connection became even more evident when Juno, during his solo concert, looked at Yoonhae and indirectly said, "Be my girl," melting the hearts of fans and sparking dating rumors. Their strong bond and love are now heading into a grand wedding that fans and netizens have been waiting for. The wedding will be held at the prestigious Grand Hyatt Hotel, one of Korea's most luxurious wedding venues, known for its stunning ambience and world-class service. With a grand and elegant setting, the hotel will be transformed into a dreamy, romantic wonderland fit for a star-studded couple like Lee Jun-ho and Im Yoon. The ceremony is expected to be a private event, but glimpses of the grand decorations, venue shots, and red carpet moments are bound to surface online. This wedding is set to be one of the biggest celebrity events of the year. Im Yoon will be the first member of Girls' Generation SNSD to get married, and all eyes are on her wedding gown. Yoonhae will reportedly wear a stunning custom-designed white wedding dress that will emphasize her timeless beauty. The gown is said to be designed by one of Korea's most sought-after designers, making it one of the most highly anticipated bridal looks of 2025. Lee Jun-ho will be donning a classic black tuxedo with a modern twist. His sophisticated charm and powerful visuals are expected to steal the show, complementing Yoonhae's ethereal bridal look. Their wedding portraits will undoubtedly become one of the most memorable images in K-pop and drama history, capturing the essence of their love story. The guest list for Lee Jun-ho and Im Yoon's wedding is nothing short of a K-pop and K-drama star reunion. Expect to see a lineup of the most famous figures in the industry, with representatives from SM Entertainment and JYP Entertainment in attendance. The list of confirmed guests who are expected to attend: Girls' Generation members, 2PM members, Park Min-young, Park Seo-joon, Song Joong-ki, Lee Sung-ji, Suzy, Hyunbin, and Sun Yi-ji. CEOs and executives from YG, SM, and JYP Entertainment. The wedding will be one of the most star-studded events of the year. Close friends from the K-drama industry and K-pop industry will attend, including their former co-stars and friends from the sets of dramas, music shows, and interviews. The wedding will feature live performances from some of the most beloved and iconic artists. EXO-CBX, Gummy, and Mad Clown, singers are known for their emotional and heartfelt performances, making them the perfect choice for such a special event. The couple has also chosen songs from their drama King the Land as part of the wedding theme music. Fans are hoping that Yoonhae and Juno will recreate one of their iconic rooftop scenes from the drama during the wedding reception. Lee Jun-ho is known for his poetic charm, and it's expected that he will deliver a heartfelt speech during the wedding. Fans are already speculating on the emotional wedding vows he will share with Yoonhae. Given his previous indirect confession at his concert, the couple's wedding photos will undoubtedly break the internet. From the breathtaking wedding portraits to candid moments from the event, every image will be iconic. Fans are already eagerly awaiting behind-the-scenes clips and exclusive photos shared by guests and entertainment agencies. Their Allure magazine photoshoot and award show moments have already given fans a glimpse of their couple's aura, but the wedding day visuals will be on a whole new level. Expect Yoonhae in her stunning white gown, while Juno gazes at her with pure love and admiration. Their wedding photos are expected to be published in exclusive magazine features, possibly in top fashion and wedding lifestyle magazines like Marie Claire Korea, Allure, and Vogue Korea. After the wedding, Lee Jun-ho and Im Yoon will reportedly go on a honeymoon to a private tropical island. The couple has expressed a desire to keep their post-wedding life private, but fans are eager for glimpses of their romantic getaway. As for their careers, Lee Jun-ho has projects lined up for 2025, while Yoonhae is focusing on enhancing her acting skills. Fans believe they will continue to grow individually while supporting each other as a married couple. The wedding of Lee Jun-ho and Im Yoon is one of the most highly anticipated events in K-pop and K-drama history. Their love story, built on friendship, trust, and years of shared memories, is a reminder that true love does exist. From award shows to Netflix interviews, their moments together have always been filled with warmth, love, and sincerity. Their wedding will be remembered as one of the most iconic moments in the K-entertainment industry. From the star-studded guest list to the romantic wedding quotes, every detail of their wedding is sure to become a cherished memory for fans and netizens. Congratulations to the beautiful couple, Lee Jun-ho and Im Yoon, on their upcoming wedding and a lifetime of happiness together. What are your thoughts about the couple? Mention them in the comments section.
Fans of strong girl Bong Soon, do you remember the unforgettable chemistry between Do Bong Soon and Ahn Min Hyuk? That's right, we are talking about Park Bo Young and Park Hyung Sik. Their on-screen romance was so mesmerizing that fans couldn't help but ship them in real life. Well, get ready for some exciting news. Bo Young and Hyung Sik may no longer be keeping their love story a secret. Stay tuned for all the juicy details, and don't forget to like this video and hit that subscribe button. Before we dive into the big reveal, let's backtrack a little. Did you know that Park Bo Young was a loyal fan of the boy band ZE, long before she ever met Hyung Sik? Yes, you heard that right. Bo Young had a long-time crush on Hyung Sik and even memorized all the songs from his group. So, when fate paired them up as co-stars for Strong Girl Bong Soon in 2017, it was as if destiny itself had planned their love story. It was a dream come true for Bo Young, as her long-time crush had become her leading man on screen. During the filming period, their on-screen chemistry was so fiery that even staff members and the show's director, Lee Hyung-min, began asking if they were dating. Behind-the-scenes clips revealed Hyung Sik gazing at Bo Young with a look so filled with love that it made her heart race like a teenage girl in love. Fans couldn't help but gush over their adorable height difference, as Hyung Sik would constantly tease her, cuddle her, and shower her with playful affection. Their real-life interactions were just as heart-melting as their on-screen moments. One unforgettable moment was the wedding scene at the end of the drama. Fans went wild, but the real magic happened off-screen. BTS footage captured Hyung Sik staring at Bo Young in absolute awe of her beauty. His gaze spoke volumes, and it became one of the most iconic "they might be dating" moments for fans. But it wasn't just the BTS moments that fueled these dating rumors. During promotional interviews and media events, their playful teasing and genuine interactions kept everyone guessing. Hyung Sik would joke about Bo Young's love for resting and sleep, while Bo Young would smile brightly whenever he mentioned her. Other actors on set could tell there was something special between them. In one interview, Hyung Sik confessed that they were very close and that he felt extremely comfortable around her. Their undeniable closeness was clear to see, and fans weren't about to let it go unnoticed. The speculation intensified in 2023 when Bo Young and Hyung Sik made a surprise appearance in Strong Girl Nam Soon, and once again, their electric chemistry stole the spotlight. After filming, they both posted sweet, cozy pictures together on Instagram, sending fans into a frenzy. Was this another sign of their real-life romance? Fans certainly thought so. But things really heated up when Park Hyung Sik made a love confession. He revealed that while filming Strong Girl Bong Soon, he fell head over heels for Bo Young. His exact words? "I couldn't help but fall in love with her." He admitted that filming their romantic kissing scenes wasn't just acting for him, and he treasured every moment of it. His heart ached as the filming period drew to a close, knowing that his sweet romantic moments with Bo Young were coming to an end. Fans were floored by this revelation. And guess what? It wasn't a one-sided love story either. Bo Young had been crushing on Hyung Sik since her ZD, a fan days, and when she learned he'd be her co-star, she couldn't have been happier. In fact, Hyung Sik confessed that he only agreed to do Strong Girl Bong Soon because Bo Young was the lead actress. He even boasted about it to his friends, and many of his actor buddies, including Kim Ji-soo, were jealous of him. Things got even more intense when Hyung Sik shared lyrics from BTS VS song, For Us, on his Instagram story. The lyrics read, "I'm still waiting for you, will you change your mind? I would give it all up for us, I wish I could stay with you." Fans were convinced that this message was for Bo Young. The buzz reached a fever pitch, with netizens demanding that Dispatch investigate whether they were secretly dating. Their agencies remained silent on the matter, and as every K-drama fan knows, silence from the agencies is often a clue that there's some truth behind the rumors. Fast forward to 2024, and the signs kept on becoming even more obvious. While promoting his drama, Dr. Slump, with Park Shin-hye, Hyung Sik's mind seemed to be somewhere else, with Park Bo Young. He mentioned her name during a guest appearance on Salon Drip 2, and fans noticed his face light up every time he spoke about her. Industry insiders even revealed that at the W Korea event, Hyung Sik and Bo Young were inseparable. The hosts of the event purposely seated them next to each other, and the adorable interactions that followed sent fans into a frenzy. One particularly heartwarming moment was when Bo Young sweetly brushed a fallen eyelash from Hyung Sik's face, and they laughed together like a real-life couple. Their joyful laughter, shared drink, and comfortable body language melted the hearts of everyone present. After the event, Bo Young and Hyung Sik were spotted leaving together, hand in hand. And that, ladies and gentlemen, was the moment fans had been waiting for. Now, after 8 long years of love, their relationship is finally official. Media outlets have confirmed that Park Bo Young and Park Hyung Sik are planning to get married. According to reports, the couple has been in love for years and finally decided to tie the knot. Insiders revealed that they don't want to keep their love story a secret any longer. Their wedding will be held at the luxurious Aston Grand Walker Hotel in Seoul, South Korea, surrounded by their closest friends and family. The ceremony will be a grand affair, with many notable guests attending, including actor Kim Ji-soo, whom fans are excited to see after his long absence from the industry. Park Bo Young will wear a stunning white gown, and if past moments are anything to go by, Hyung Sik's eyes will once again be filled with love and admiration as he sees her walking down the aisle. The love story of the Park couple is like a real-life K-drama. From Bo Young's longtime crush on a K-pop idol to Hyung Sik's falling in love on set, their journey is truly magical. Their wedding, set to take place in December, is already shaping up to be the event of the year. Are you ready for the wedding bells to ring? What are your thoughts on the love story of Park Hyung Sik and Park Bo Young? Drop your thoughts in the comments section below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more heartwarming updates. Bye for now, and keep spreading the love. The truth behind Jung So-min and Jung Hae in dating rumors. Love Next Door has captured everyone's attention with its unique plot, but let's be honest, the real magic comes from the sizzling chemistry between Jung So-min and Jung Hae-in. But hold on, it's not just about the drama. Lately, their interactions have been heating up in real life, and fans are wondering, could they be the next Dispatch power couple? Keep watching to find out the latest details, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more juicy updates. The drama, Love Next Door, surely stole everyone's heart with its unique and refreshing plotline, but no one can deny the fact that Jung So-min and Jung Hae-in's sizzling chemistry was the main factor that skyrocketed the drama's performance immensely. But we are not here for that. Recently, the Jung couple made everyone wear their detective glasses because their recent interactions are going in a romantic direction. So to know more what is going on and will they be Dispatch's next power couple? Jung So-min and Jung Hae-in are one of the most popular actors in the Korean industry and have a number of dramas under their belt. However, one common thing both of them shared is that they are extremely introverted, especially Jung Hae-in. Throughout his career. Hae-in worked with stellar actresses including Kim Go-yoon, Sun Ye-jin, Blackpink Jisoo, Oh and others. While they all have formed great bonds, Jung Hae-in always maintained a distance from all of them, like he kept a respectful awkward barrier between all of them. On the flip side, Jung So-min has always been an actively bubbly person and mood maker of the set, and she uses a lot of body language and expressive facial looks. She jokes a lot and loves to make others laugh too. Of course, she does all this when her social battery is full, otherwise So-min is also like Jung Hae-in. So-min worked with hot actors including Lee Jae-wook, Seo In-guk, and Kim Hyun-jung. Over the years they all have become great with So-min, but Jung Hae-in and Jung So-min's full potential was unlocked when the two crossed paths for Love Next Door. Their chemistry with the BTS of the drama has been so good that the director and staff members raised their eyebrows wondering if they are just friends or if something else is brewing between them. In an interview with the El Korea Chemistry Workshop event, Jung Hae-in revealed his first impression when he got to know that So-min would take the lead role. He was quite excited and was really looking forward to their chemistry, which obviously outshines so much that fans and netizens are shipping them hard and are dying for their dating news already. Don't worry because we got you all covered up. BTS of the drama, So-min and Hae-in laughed to their heart's content. So-min took care of Hae-in and tried to make things easier for him. Furthermore, during their promotional event, Hae-in revealed that they often went out together at restaurants after filming for every episode to know each other more better, and it was during those moments Hae-in realized that So-min is a charming woman and gradually started to develop romantic feelings for her, which he tried to keep them under the rug but failed to do so because according to industry insiders it has been stated when the filming of the drama ended, Hae-in and So-min went out for a late-night drive-through and he kept the car parked at an isolated area. The two reportedly spent a long time inside the car, so many assumed they were spending some intimate moments and Hae-in confessed his feelings for her. After the filming of the drama, they recently went to Bali for Harper's Bazaar magazine photo shoot. The photos were drop-dead gorgeous and two of them looked amazing. Bazaar magazine held an interview for them where the two of them had a playful bantering and an indirect flirting was present between them. In the interview, So-min shared that Hae-in gifted her a cap, which she wears every day. So you can already guess they're dating and secretly sending gifts to each other. How adorable! What added fuel to their dating rumors more is their own giveaway activities which prove their dating no matter how many different angles you try to see them. During their Netflix ASMR session, Jung Hae-in did not hesitate to hold So-min's hands or come closer to her. This was a big moment because Hae-in never relaxes around any women that easily. So-min was always way too bubbly around him. Furthermore, the way they looked at each other was really charming. In another El Korea, they gave each other cute pet names. What was more sweet is that Jung Hae-in memorized by heart that So-min does not like coriander at all. Hae-in, on the other hand, remembers the tiniest details of Hae-in too. It's as if they are made for each other. In the Melon Music Playlist interview, they shared the same passion for music, their hobbies, interests, favorite food, and many things that align perfectly. It's like those Kadrama moments, where do the main leads just click? Staring at each other wondering where you were all these times? Jung Hae-in and Jung So-min are the same. Jung So-min has been single for a long time after her breakup with her then partner Lee Joon, whom she met in 2017 while filming for the drama My Father is Strange. After 4 years of being together, they called it quits because of a busy schedule in 2020. Since then, So-min has been solely focusing on her career, but lingering moments of her painful heartbreak were still present. However, it all washed after 4 long years when fate finally brought Hae-in in her life. As for Jung Hae-in, his dating history is like a clean slate. There were rumors, sure, but he never got embroiled in any scandals. But for Somin, that's a different story. He is ready to risk it all for her. Dispatch has been speculating that according to their frequent interactions and those intimate car rides, it is a matter of time before the Jung couple will surprise us, just like how IU Lee Jong Suk did. So this 31st December, keep an eye on the news, especially the big headlines, because Jung Hae-in and Jung So-min may become the Dispatch's New Year power couple. More years ahead for the Jung couple. They are truly a couple's goal, for now saving love life in private. Another exciting news is that Jung Hae-in may appear in a Japanese drama. Thank you so much for watching this video. So what are your thoughts about Hae-in and So-min? Drop them in the comments section. Here's a detailed and engaging look at 10 Korean celebrity couples who show us what love looks like in the Korean entertainment world, capturing hearts globally with their unwavering loyalty and deep connection. These couples have been together through life's ups and downs, offering fans an inspiring look at real romance beyond the screen. 1. Kim Woo-bin and Shin Min-a, a love that heals and grows. Kim Woo-bin and Shin Min-a have one of the most beloved love stories in the industry. They began dating in 2015 after meeting on a Giordano ad campaign, and their relationship quickly became a fan favorite. Their love was tested early on, as Kim Woo-bin was diagnosed with nasopharyngeal cancer just 2 years into their relationship. During his challenging health journey, Shin Min-a was there for him every step of the way, proving her unwavering commitment. When Woo-bin returned to the screen, fans were thrilled to see the couple in a blues together, showcasing their chemistry and depth of connection. One unforgettable moment was when Shin Min-a sent a coffee truck to Woo-bin's set, a sweet symbol of her support and love. Now, after 9 years together, they stand as a true example of enduring love. 2. IU and Lee Jong Suk, from friends to forever. IU and Lee Jong Suk are a classic case of friends turning into lovers, and fans are enamored with their journey. The duo first met in 2012 as co-hosts for SBS Inkigayo, where they became fast friends. But as it turned out, Jong Suk felt a romantic spark from the beginning. After nearly a decade, they confirmed their relationship in 2022. Their love story is rooted in a deep friendship and mutual support for each other's careers. Jong Suk's heartfelt speech at the 2022 MBC Drama Awards, where he thanked IU and expressed his love for her, had fans swooning. This couple continues to make headlines with their sweet and subtle displays of affection, like when IU performed at Jong Suk's brother's wedding, a clear show of her love and commitment. 3. Yoona and Lee Junho, chemistry on and off the screen. Fans of King the Land will agree, Yoona and Lee Junho's chemistry is absolutely electric. The two have been friends for over a decade, but their close connection in the drama had viewers hoping for an off-screen romance as well. At the 2023 AAA Star Awards, their adorable interactions only fueled dating rumors, with Junho even admitting that he has liked Yoona for years. Whether they confirm a romance or not, fans can't get enough of their sizzling on-screen moments, and they continue to ship this beloved pairing, who have managed to keep audiences entertained and hopeful for a real-life love story. 4. Choi Soo-young and Jung Kyung-ho, 12 years of devotion. In a world where fame often disrupts relationships, Choi Soo-young and Jung Kyung-ho have managed to keep theirs rock solid for over a decade. This couple started dating in 2012 and went public in 2014, much to the delight of their fans. Known for keeping things low-key, Soo-young and Kyung-ho have maintained their relationship with a sense of maturity and groundedness that fans admire. Kyung-ho is often seen supporting Soo-young at Girls' Generation concerts and other public events, showing his pride in her achievements. Their recent outing at a Bruno Mars concert in 2023 and their casual, everyday interactions make them a beloved example of a loving, long-term couple. 5. Lee Kwang-soo and Lee Sun-bin, a love that started with laughter. The beloved Running Man star Lee Kwang-soo and actress Lee Sun-bin make an adorable couple, and their relationship began in the most delightful way on the show. After meeting in 2016, they quickly formed a bond and went public in 2018. Fans appreciate how open they are about their relationship, often sharing sweet moments in interviews. The couple is frequently spotted on casual dates, and recently, they were seen enjoying a romantic getaway in Japan. Their chemistry, grounded in humor and playfulness, is something fans can't help but admire. 6. Jung Hoyeon and Lee Dong-H WI, love against all odds. Squid Game star Jung Hoyeon and actor Lee Dong-H WI have been together for nearly a decade, despite the 9-year age gap between them. They began dating in 2015 and have shown the world that age is just a number. Their relationship is refreshingly open, and they aren't shy about sharing glimpses of their love on social media. One particularly sweet moment was at the 2023 Blue Dragon Series Awards when Dong-H WI's supportive gaze helped Hoyeon through a minor stage mishap, melting fans' hearts. Their relationship is marked by mutual respect, humor, and deep affection. 7. Ryu Juniol and Hairi, a beloved romance that left fans heartbroken. Reply 1988 co-stars Ryu Juniol and Hairi were a fan-favorite couple who dated for 8 years, making headlines as one of the most iconic K-drama love stories come to life. Their real-life romance began while filming, but they confirmed their relationship in 2017. However, they recently parted ways in 2023, leaving fans heartbroken but respectful of their decision. Even though they're no longer together, fans will always cherish the beautiful moments and memories this couple shared, both on and off the screen. 8. Ryu Seungbum and Gong Hyojin, the love that shaped an era. Although Ryu Seungbum and Gong Hyojin parted ways over a decade ago, their relationship left a lasting impact on fans. They met on the set of Splendid Days in 2002 and had a relationship that lasted 10 years. Even after they separated in 2012, they remained friends and moved on with new partners. Today, Ryu is married to his Slovakian wife, and Gong Hyojin recently tied the knot with singer Kevin Oh. Their decade-long love story has become legendary, remembered as an iconic pairing that defined an era in Korean entertainment. 9. Lee Do-hyun and Lim Ji-yeon, a bond born on set. The Glory co-stars Lee Do-hyun and Lim Ji-yeon quickly turned their on-screen chemistry into a real-life romance, with fans thrilled to see their connection flourish off-screen. The couple began dating in 2022 and went public in early 2023. Their relationship is characterized by warmth and mutual support, with both often spotted on casual dates. Lee Do-hyun's openness about their relationship has made them even more beloved, as fans appreciate the honesty and genuine affection they share. 10. Kim Woo-jin and Seo Ji-hae, speculated romance still in the shadows. Though Kim Woo-jin and Seo Ji-hae haven't confirmed any romance, fans love to speculate that there might be a budding relationship between the two. Their on-screen chemistry in Crash Landing on You was palpable, sparking rumors and making fans eager for any confirmation. While neither has officially spoken about a relationship, fans remain hopeful, celebrating the possibility that another on-screen love story may be real. These inspiring couples give fans a sense of what true love looks like, one built on patience, support, humor, and loyalty. Whether they've been together for years or just begun their journey, they remind us that love can be enduring, healing, and full of joy.
Do you really think Choi Tae-joon married Park Shin-hye just because she's beautiful and famous? Their love story goes much deeper than that. From the very beginning, Choi Tae-joon fell for Park Shin-hye because of her warm and loving personality. She was the most caring person he had ever met. Back then, he never thought about her rising fame or how she would become an international star. Even now, after years of marriage, Choi Tae-joon remains reserved when talking about his wife on camera. He often pauses or shies away from expressing his love publicly. But is it really about being shy, or does he just prefer to keep their relationship private? Meanwhile, Park Shin-hye has often been asked how it feels for him to be married to one of the biggest actresses in the industry. And his response? Simple yet heartwarming. He said, Park Shin-hye is a great wife, a loving daughter-in-law, and a responsible mother. Her success in dramas is her professional life, and that has nothing to do with our relationship. That's love, built on understanding, not just fame. Yes. Choi Tae-joon never bothers about Park Shin-hye's popularity and international fame. Choi Tae-joon inevitably talked about his life at home with his wife, Park Shin-hye, on broadcast for the first time. For example, when asked if he and his wife monitor each other's work at home, Choi Tae-joon began anxiously, "Once again, I just want to say that I have no intention of interfering in the activities of that person who is hard at work on a new project, and if I did happen to interfere, I apologize. I can't help but be cautious about speaking on this for these reasons. However, because I was asked a question, I will give an answer. No, we do not talk about work much. At home, we mostly just talk about what goes on at home." Regarding Park Shin-hye's newest project, The Judge from Hell, Choi Tae-joon revealed, "I am watching it just like the other viewers. But I would never look at her scripts to know what happens in the story ahead of time." Next, the MCs asked if Choi Tae-joon and Park Shin-hye fight at home. Choi Tae-joon nervously began, "This is the first time that I'm talking about my wife so openly in public like this, so I'm very anxious. But of course, we fight. In terms of MBTI personalities, I'm very much a IT, while she is more of an SEF. Because of how I am, with people who are close to me, I can be a little too direct. I'm too focused on solving the problem." Also on this episode, Choi Tae-joon shared how he got top singers like Lee Juk, Crush, D.O., and FT Island's Honky to sing congratulatory songs at his and Park Shin-hye's wedding. Do you get burning smell from such comment? This statement clearly indicates that Choi Tae-joon is not at all happy with her popularity and fame. To defend himself and to maintain in his male ego, Choi Tae-joon said this. "Isn't it normal for Choi Tae-joon to feel insecure and inferior as a husband? He did nothing special in the industry. For his unimpressive look and bad physique, Choi Tae-joon never got that fame in Korean industry. Whereas, Park Shin-hye is not only popular in Korean drama world. She has already an international star. After all, as a husband, his male ego hurts. So far, whatever Choi Tae-joon did in Korean industry, it is just because he belongs to Park Shin-hye husband." Choi Tae-joon got really angry with Park Shin-hye when some photographers denied clicking them together in an event. Park Shin-hye also requested Choi Tae-joon to come and join there, but Choi Tae-joon simply avoided her. There can't be any reason behind it as he can't be rude on camera. Even after pregnancy, Park Shin-hye is still doing films in Korean industry. The fact is she getting hotter day by day. No one can deny this. But Park Shin-hye is also trying hard to get Choi Tae-joon's career back on track. Park Shin-hye always inspires him to do good drama and pushes him to do better in Korean drama career. She also supports him financially, and being a good wife, she is perfect. But husband Choi Tae-joon has nothing to do with all these because he has a bad career graph in Korean industry. He is simply jealous the way Park Shin-hye gets the entire attention of media. Park Shin-hye gained recognition as a child in television series Stairway to Heaven, 2003, and Tree of Heaven, 2006. In 2013, she starred in the film Miracle in Cell No. 7, which is one of the highest-grossing Korean films of all time. She is known for her roles in You're Beautiful, 2009, The Heirs, 2013, Pinocchio, 2014 to 2015, Doctors, 2016, Memories of the Alhambra, 2018 to 2019, #Alive, 2020, Sisyphus, The Myth, 2021, and Dr. Slump, 2024. In addition to her acting career, Park promotes philanthropy through her initiative, Starlight Angel Project. She has been included in the Forbes Korea Power Celebrity 40 list in 2015, 2017, 2021, and 2022. He first gained recognition as a child actor in the drama Piano, 2001, and TV movies about student youth situations. He won 2 Korea Drama Awards, Best Young Actor, 2014 for the drama All About My Mom, and Best Villain, 2017 for his villainous co-star role in the disaster mystery drama Missing 9. Also, he won another award for Best Character, 2017 at the Asia Artist Awards. He has since taken on lead roles in melodrama Exit, 2018, and the famous and popular rom-com TV drama So I Married the Anti-Fan, 2021. Do you really think Choi Tae-jun married Park Shin-hye just because she is beautiful and famous?
Our Blues fan lovers hang tight as we have a huge announcement that after 9 long years of being in an open relationship, Shin Min-ah and Kim Woo-bin are finally planning to settle down, which we have been waiting for years. Their wedding will be one of a kind and their long-term romance adds an emotional touch to this whole ordeal. Shin Min-ah and Kim Woo-bin, the beautiful power couple, have been in the limelight of the media for a very long time. The first me while filming for an ad for Giordano in 2015. It was love at first sight for the two of them, and later the same year in October Dispatch dropped the bomb that the couple were dating and ever since then they have been going strong. They redefined the meaning of a heart-fluttering love story in the most romantic way ever. In 2016, when Kim Woo-bin was working for the hit 2016 drama Uncontrollably Fond, Shin Min-ah now was sweet enough to send the food truck to the set, showing her unconditional love and support for her partner from the bottom of her heart. This heartwarming gesture melted the hearts of the fans, but this made Kim Woo-bin extremely emotional. Even the people in the set was slightly jealous and surprised it was from me. The couple also experienced tough times in their relationship, but it only strengthened their love and bond more. In 2017, on 24th May, Kim Woo-bin was diagnosed with neural cancer, and means love and support shine through the dark time. She was beside him and contributed to his treatment as much as she could. She always stayed true to her words by sticking to his side when Kim Woo-bin recovered from the cancer. The couple went out on a date away from the negativity of life to Australia in 2019 to spend some quality time. The two support one another in all their works. It just make a great pair. You know, their understanding, gist and thinking, everything align in the most beautiful way ever. WBEN, even after 9 years of being with her, is still infatuated by Shin Min-ah's love and beauty. They're deeply fond of each other. The love story is a breath of fresh air. Recently, the couple was spotted all the streets of Japan for a casual day, their arms interlocked together. They mostly spend time outside Korea like Paris, away from the limelight of the media. Have been circulating that the couple is finally planning to settle down. Their families most likely already said the wedding day. Chances are high it will be a private wedding, as this couple loves to savor their relationship in a more comfortable environment. After years of dating, Kim Woo-bin and Shin will be finally tying the knot. For now, the couples are busy with their upcoming projects. One is filming for the upcoming drama All the Love You Wish For, and Shin Min-ah is coming back with the hit drama No Gain No Love, which will premiere this 26th August. Stay tuned with K-Drama World for more news regarding Kim Woo-bin and Shin Min-ah. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.